Welcome to Cape Town, the mother city of South Africa, a place where the mountains meet the sea in a spectacular display of natural beauty. Our journey begins at the heart of the city, the iconic Table Mountain National Park, a new seven wonder of nature. Whether you hike the rugged trails or take the aerial cableway, the views from the summit are simply unparalleled. From over 1,000 meters above sea level, the entire peninsula unfolds beneath you in a living postcard. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Descending the slopes, we find Kirstenbosch, one of the most beautiful botanical gardens in the world. The famous boomslang walkway allows you to glide through the forest canopy, offering a unique perspective on the Cape's rich floral kingdom. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates. Deep within the ravines, hidden waterfalls and ancient forests provide a serene escape from the urban hustle. Following the mountain range south, we reach the dramatic cliffs of the Atlantic seaboard. The winding roads of Chapman's Peak Drive offer some of the most spectacular coastal views on the planet. This dramatic coastline is defined by the 12 Apostles, a series of jagged peaks that tower over the turquoise waters. The Sea Point Promenade is the city's pulse, where locals and visitors alike gather to enjoy the fresh ocean breeze. Keep an eye out for the local wildlife. Cape fur seals are a common sight in the working harbor of the V&A waterfront. Just a short walk away, the kaleidoscopic streets of Bokop showcase the city's rich multicultural heritage. These cobblestone streets and neon-colored homes tell a story of resilience and vibrant culture spanning centuries. Our journey continues to the very tip of the peninsula, Cape Point and the Cape of Good Hope. Standing at the edge of the continent, you can feel the raw power of the Atlantic and Indian Oceans converging. Nearby, at Boulders Beach, you'll meet the city's most charming residents, the endangered African penguins. Walking along these boardwalks is a rare opportunity to observe these incredible creatures in their natural habitat. Heading inland, the lush Constantia Valley offers a taste of South Africa's world-renowned wine heritage. These historic estates have been producing fine wines for over 300 years, nestled in the shadows of the mountains. As the day comes to a close, there's no better place to be than Signal Hill for a classic Cape Town sunset. As the city lights begin to sparkle, we conclude the first part of our Mother City walking tour. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.